Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back to another episode. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I have this 2006 Acura, as you can see, Acura MDX. Alright. And now I'm gonna show you how to refill the AC system with some freon. Alright. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to refill the AC system with some freon in this 2006 Acura MDX. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell button so every time I upload something new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Alright. Support the channel also by hitting the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Anything you want to say about this project, put in the comment box. Alright, anything you have in mind, do me that favor. And the other way you can support the channel is by leaving the tip on the table. And if you cannot do that, then the other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, advertisement, commercial, propaganda, ad, whatever you want to call it. Watch the whole thing, the whole nine. Alright, don't skip it. That's how you're gonna support the channel. Okay. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do this refill. Now you come through, and this is how you open the hood. Pull this guy. Now you're gonna come here to the middle. This is how you open the latch. Pull it up, and you don't need a kickstand because it has this that support. Alright. Now look around. I'm looking for the AC port, which is right here. This is the low port. It tells you right there. That's the L of low. And the one down there is the high port. That guy right there. It tells you right there, high, H, which means high. Alright. Now let me tell you something real quick about how to extract, recover whatever is inside this system right now. Because when you turn on the AC in the driver compartment and the air vent is not blowing cold air, that means you need some AC. Or if you refill the system with some freon, aka AC, recently, and it's not blowing cold air, then that means you might have a leak. Alright, okay. So back what I was saying. There's different ways to recover, extract whatever you have in the system. Okay, if you have a good system, if there's no leak, you can use these small pumps sold by Harbor Freight, or you can get it from Amazon too. And these small pumps extract, recover whatever is in the system. Okay, they are like between $50 and $200. Okay, they work. That's the legal way. The other way is by using a machine like this. And the other way, the illegal way, is by, you see this air valve right here? It looks kind of like from the tire, like this guy. So if you pinch this guy, whatever is inside the system is gonna splash. It's gonna come out. And if you don't have a machine like I said, like a pump or extractor or a machine like this, then you just pinch that and pinch it until whatever is inside stop coming out. Okay, that's the illegal way though. You don't want to do that because that make a hole in the atmosphere. Okay, and you don't want to do that. You know what I'm saying? We only have one planet. Yeah, I mean, you gotta go big. So don't do that. Okay. But in case you do that, the only way to refill the AC system, is by going to your local auto parts store and buying these big cans that come with a gauge, some gauge like this, and then you just plug it in the high or low, depending on the nozzle that come with. So you connect it there. The gauge is going to tell you how much freon, aka AC, is going in there. You know what I'm saying? Just read the instructions in the can, and those cans are like between $45 and $80. They helpful, they useful, but if you do that, you don't know how much stuff is in the system, and you don't want to like overcharge it or something like that, because you might ruin the system. So by doing it like the way I'm about to show you, you're gonna spend probably like between $80 and $150. Okay. So now all you're gonna do is connect this machine. Okay. This video is also for those mechanics that wanna learn how to use this machine. Okay. They're all the same. Alright. Practically. So just turn it on like that. This is how much I have in the machine right now. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do here is get the hoses. This guy's right here. You're just gonna turn it counterclockwise to the left all the way, so you can push this back like this and then connect it there. There you go. Now once you connect it, make sure it doesn't move or come out, pop out by pulling it. Then turn the knob clockwise. Alright, so it gets tight. So it's holding it good. Okay, that's good. Now I'll do the same with the low port. Okay, turn it all the way to the left, counterclockwise. Pull it. Okay. Now connect it. Now pull it. Okay, that's good. Now turn it clockwise. And when you do that, you're probably gonna hear a hissing sound like shh. That means it's connected. All right. Now move it a little bit just to check it's safe. Okay, it's good. Alright. This is good too. Now we're gonna come here and we're gonna press recover. Equalizing pressure, please wait. This is how much pressure we have in the low port, 80 psi, and in the high we have almost the same, so that's Gucci. Okay. Clearing in progress, press start to skip. Recover in progress. This is how much we're gonna pull out. So far I didn't get none. Alright. I've been doing this like the recovering process for, I wanna say 5 minutes, and I didn't get none. Hopefully there's no leak. So we just stop it now. Alright. Before we charge the system, we're gonna check how much the car needs. Now you look around the car. Here, no. But here, which is close to the ports, it says recommended charge. Max is 26.5 ounces. Minimum 24.7 ounces. But this machine do pounds, so you gotta convert 26.5 ounces to pounds. You know what I'm saying? So it's 1.6. So we come over here, we press this guy over here. It says oil inject, yes. Hold inject to inject oil. Here, press it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it go. Okay. Now, stop to exit. Here, you're gonna put the 1.65. That's what it takes. Charge in progress. Do not disturb. Now it's going up. Let's see. Now the machine is charging the AC system in the car to 1.65 pounds. Alright. Almost there, almost there, almost there. So it's 100, which means it's good. The machine detects when there's a leak, and there's no leak. So equalize hoses. Now that's what is left in this machine. How much freon? That's the tank. Now we just turn it off. Come over here. Turn the knob counterclockwise. Okay, now pop it up, just like that. Do the same with the high port. Pop it up. Okay, just like that. Pop. Pop. The low port cap here. High port here. Okay, pretty much. Put this guy away. Disconnect this baby. Now we get inside the car. We're gonna start the car. And should blow cold air by now. Oh yeah, way better. Way better. Yep. There it is. Yep, pretty much it. Alright. When you step on the gas pedal, it pumps the freon faster. It pumps more freon to the vents, so you get more cold air. You know what I'm saying? Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed. Hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, like I said, don't forget to put it in the comment box for me, which is below. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to, I'm gonna say it again, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Do that for the channel, do that for me, yummy. Do that for us too, yummy. Go BIG. Support the channel by clicking on the bell button. That means when you do that, when I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Alright? Hit the like button, share the video, and the feedback, like I said, put it in the comment box. Anything you want to say about this vehicle, whatever you have in mind, put it in the comment box. You also can support the channel by leaving the tip on the table. Alright? But if you cannot do that, since you're watching this video for free, the other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, advertisement, advertise, propaganda, commercials, whatever you want to call it. Watch it all. Watch the entire advertise ad. Watch the whole ad. Watch the entire ad. Don't skip it. That's how you support the channel. Alright? So I'm gonna leave it right here. Catch me in the next one. I'm clocking now. Was a stool. Nami. Catch me in the next one. I'm out deep. Dana, 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 each. Hey!